Hello ladies and gentlemen, today's video I'm going to tell you that I have made one community channel of WhatsApp where I will share everything with you. So let me tell you about this. Open browser, any browser you want to open. So just search YouTube, okay? If you go to YouTube, okay, just now search here just travel guy. Okay, this is the name of travel guide. If you search this, so just click on that. Now what you will have to do is open with channel info. Okay, just I have shared the link of my WhatsApp channel where you will be like here you can see join our WhatsApp community for softwares everything. So just copy this and come to any browser and just paste it. Okay, now just if you click enter or whether in mobile in everything you just do it, just open this, so it will open this community. Okay, this is the community group and which I will be giving everything to you. Please join it and your all problems will be solved here. Okay, this is for my subscribers and like for everyone, but subscribers are mostly relevant to me. This will be the giveaway from my side to everyone. Please just go and join it. Thanks, have a great day, bye.